In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen using WeVideo. So here I have a clip that has a green screen, and so I'm going to click on the pencil, and then I'm going to go up to color keying, and that'll allow me to select the green. And so I want to select the green between my two anchors because sometimes there's a shadow here, and that's the color I definitely want to remove. So I'm going to click on the dropper, and then you can see as I come back over onto my clip, I have my dropper, and so I just click, and it will select that color, and that's that actual color in code. And so now it has removed that green screen color, and sometimes you may need to defringe to kind of make your lines a little bit better, and so you can kind of move these if it's kind of fuzzy right here, but right now I can't tell because I don't have a background. And so I'm going to grab a background, and then I'm just going to set it right below, and then I'm going to look at my video, and I can see that that doesn't look too great, so I'm going to come back to color keying, and I'm going to defringe it because I want this to be nice and clear. Okay, and that kind of makes it look a little bit better. So that's how you remove the background. You'll have to do that for every clip that you have that has a background.